Hello everyone. Today's tech news is Number 1. Cyberpunk 2077 Stadia saves can be carried over to PC, but you'll have to use Takeout. Stadia is shutting down, and if you want to continue any Cyberpunk 2077 progress you made on Stadia, you can download your save files using Google Takeout and bring them to PC. Number 2. Microsoft's adaptive accessories finally have a release date. The accessibility kit will be available starting on October 25 in select markets. Number 3. Everyone walks differently, so this exoskeleton adjusts on the fly. A boot-like, robotic exoskeleton helps people walk faster while using less energy. Number 4. Dune, Part 2 is arriving earlier than expected. Warner Bros. Second Dune film from director Denis Villeneuve is getting an earlier release date to take advantage of the spot freed up by Marvel's Blade. Number 5. Microsoft's Surface Pro 9 is the latest major gadget to ditch the headphone jack. Microsoft joins Apple, Dell, and other tech giants in slowly phasing out the 3.5mm connector. Number 6. Elon Musk sells burnt hair musk, the essence of repugnant desire. Thank you for watching. Subscribe FFFT for more tech news.
Your body speaks to me. You don't know what you